Hey guys, this is Zach again. For this episode, we'll go through how to set up Apache 2. I'm going to do PHP and PHPMyAdmin with MySQL. So we're going to go through and we're going to open up our console to this server. And we're going to pull up and log in. Alright, for this first command, we're going to go ahead and install Apache 2. So we're going to do sudo apt-get install Apache 2. We'll hit enter there, and we'll say yes, we'd like to install. Alright, so this is going to go through, and it's going to install our Apache 2 server. As you can see, it started up, so let's go ahead and let me bring up, here we go. So we're going to type in the console, we can do ifconfig, we can show the current address, which is 2.7. So we can load this up, we can do HTTP, we can do 192.168.2.70, and you can see that it works. Perfect. So now let's go ahead and install MySQL. Alright, so we're going to do sudo apt-get install MySQL, and we're going to install the server version, and we're going to install the MySQL client. There we go. And it's going to be 95 megabytes, and we'll hit yes. So that is going to continue installing, and during the installation it should prompt us with a password we can select. And here it is. We can click back in. We can do, let's change it to QWERTY like before. Okay, so it's going to go through. It's going to show, it's going to finish installing. Alright, it's done installing. So let's check if this service is running. So we're going to do sudo service. We're going to do MySQL, and we're going to do status. You can see that it is started and is running. Perfect. So now for the next step, let's go ahead and install PHP. So we're going to do sudo apt-get, and we're going to install. And we're going to do PHP 5 MySQL add-on. We're going to do lib Apache 2. I'm going to do mod.php mod PHP 5. So this will install PHP 5 MySQL and the lib Apache 2 mod for PHP 5. Let's go ahead and install these things. Okay, so just in case, let's go ahead and restart Apache 2. We're going to do sudo service Apache to restart. Okay, so now that has fully been restarted. Let's go ahead and create a PHP file that we can test to see if it is running. So we're going to do, let's do sudo vi var www. So this will be the root directory. Let's create an index.php file. So if we vi into this, we should be able to create this. So let's go ahead, hit I for insert mode. Let's do just a default PHP. We're going to load up PHP info, and then we will terminate that. So we're going to hit escape, write, quit, WQ, and hit enter. And now it has been written. let's go back to our server and hit retry. And then we will change our index.php on the end. And here we go. You can see the PHP version. Perfect. Alright. So now let's go ahead and install the PHPMyAdmin. We can do let's see, I'm in here. Okay. This is going to be a sudo command again. We're going to do apt get install PHPMyAdmin. And we'll hit enter, and we'll hit yes. This is going to go through and read. This is going to install all of the PHPMyAdmin software. Alright, we're going to hit spacebar on Apache 2. That's what we have. And we'll hit enter. And that's going to go through. Let's go ahead and hit yes for here. We're going to type in our administrative password for our database, which is QWERTY. And we're going to type in QWERTY again for MySQL. And we'll type it in one more time. Alright. So now we can go ahead and load up this. It should be just PHPMyAdmin. Username is, I believe it's root, and then QWERTY is what we defined. So this will be the user that you log into with MySQL. As you can see, we have full access to any databases that were created. And that is all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.